welcome back to 365 days of coding, and today we are finally at day 6. Not finally, we are having a long way to go again, but it's a great to continue this thing for 6 days. Okay, so the problem given to us is this, and if you want to give a good rate to this problem, so you can take us pause the video and read this problem. Meanwhile, I will break down the problem as per my understanding. Okay, so let's do the thing. So what we are doing, so we need to take an input from the user, and that input should be the username. Then we need to print a greeting message, and should be hello and then the name. So if we take input as Ram, then it will print hello Ram. And finally, what I saw that the input should be between 1 to 15 characters, and all characters should be small case. Okay, so this is our criteria to solve this problem. Okay, so let's write our approach to solve this problem. So what we are doing, so as by the description you get an idea. Okay, so first we need to ask the user to enter a name, and we will store this value in a variable called name. So let's write the variable name and ask the user to input. So what we did here is we first created a variable name. We asked the user to input a name. Okay, it can be, let's suppose, Ram. Now we create another variable message to store our response. So what will be our response? So we will say hello plus the name, that is hello Ram. It will print. Finally, we are printing that message, so it should print hello Ram if we enter the name as Ram. So let's run and see. So it is asking me to enter a name. Let's enter Ram and see, it is printing hello Ram. Okay, so if we go here, so it is saying if I give input as Ram, then it is printing hello Ram. But if I give input as Shyam, so it should print hello Shyam. So let's check that as well. So let's run it again and print the Shyam and see, we are getting hello Shyam. Now let's carefully observe this and see what we can improve. Okay, so what I can see here is, at the end we are printing this message, right? So can we directly print this thing instead of using an extra variable? Yes. Okay, and again, instead of using this variable name, we can directly ask input from the user. Okay, so this way we will reduce it into a single line. Okay, so let me write the plain English approach, and then we will try to solve this problem. Okay, so we have wrote our second approach. As I said, we need to first write a print statement with hello, then we need to concatenate user input with hello. So let's write a code for this. So what we are trying to do is we will write print. Okay, and what we need to do, we will print statement with hello. So we will write hello. Okay, now we need to concatenate. So for concatenating we use plus. Concatenating means adding. Okay, so now what we need to add, we need to add the user input. So as we did above, for how we take user input, so we will say input, and then we will ask user to enter a name. So enter a name, then let's try to run. So it's asking to enter a name. Let's enter Ram, and it print hello Ram. Now let's enter this Shyam. Okay, so let's run it again and Shyam. So yes, we are getting the same output as ever. So let's sum up what we did. Okay, so this was our problem. Okay, this problem is given to us. So what we did, we first understood this problem, we break it down into 3 steps, what we need to do. Okay, once we understand what is our objective, then what we do, we write our approach to solve this. We write our code based on our English approach. Then we write our approach 2 by seeing some shortcomings, so we write improved code, and finally we wrote our approach to solve this problem. So this is all for this video. So you can like this video if you explanation easier to understand, and you can consider subscribing if you really like this video and want to start coding with me. So let's meet tomorrow on day 7. Bye bye.